front of me is HONOR X7A, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once on this device. First of all, you need to open Gallery app. Then click on Photos at the bottom left corner. Hold one of your pictures that you wish to get rid of. And in order to pick all of them, click on this square icon at the top right corner of your category. If you wish to, you can do exactly the same by going into Albums, selecting one of them and holding one of your photos. This time though, tap on Select All at the bottom. Wherever you do, from here you need to click on Delete at the bottom as well and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!